Hi guys! Kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutin na mag-subscribe at sipain na rin tiny bell button dun sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa another trending video na naman is Scarlet Dark. Di ba halata guys, favorite ko is Scarlet Dark. And yun nga kasi, sobrang naaliw ako guys at sobrang gustong gusto ko talaga kapag umaawit si Scarlet Dark. Ang ganda kasi ng boses niya, no? Sobrang sarap pakinggan. Tapos talagang pag kumakanta siya, laging may emosyon, di ba? Kaya grabe, sobrang grabe yung connection niya kapag kumakanta siya. Talagang tagos siya sa heart. Alright, play na natin to without further ado. Let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. Okay, bilang tayo guys ng 3, 2, 1, go. So, here we go. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. Kinanta niyo, grabe.
If I had to live my life without you,
oh my god. Ang ganda talaga ng boses niya, no?
I'm not having love before.
Wow.
But never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know the take us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to leave without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you.
Grabe. Grabe yung kanya, ha? Natatouch yung heart ko. Natatouch. Grabe yung boses niya, no? Wow.
If the road here, it's not so easy. Our love will lead the way for us, baby. Like a guiding star, I'll be there for you if you should need me. You don't have to change a thing. I love you just the way you are. So come with me and share you. I'll help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You won't know by now how much I love you. One thing you can't be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You won't know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life, but nothing's gonna change my love for. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You won't know by now how much I love you. One thing you can't be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love.
Galing. Ang ganda talaga ng boses ni Scarlet Dark. Grabe boses niya. Pag pinakinggan mo talagang may kurot sa puso, may touch sa puso, no? Galing. Alright, kung nagustuhan nyo guys, video ito malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. Bye po!